In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the broadcasting icon on your Samsung TV if it is grayed out. The broadcasting icon is that one right there. But I'm going to show you guys how to get that working. That's today's tech video. Okay, the first thing that I want to make note of is that this TV is a Samsung Smart TV. If you don't have a Smart TV, there's a different way to get this broadcasting to work, but this is one of the latest models of a Samsung Smart TV. So your remote will look similar to this right here. First thing that I'm going to want you to do is to click on the home button right here, and then click on the source button at the very top right corner. Okay, after you do that, if you need that menu bar to pop back up, just hit the home button. Then you're going to want to scroll over to where it says source, and then you're going to want that check marked right there, that TV icon that has a TV and the plus symbol in it. That needs to be checked, so make sure that you check mark that. Okay, so since mine's already selected, I'm just going to go ahead and select it again. When you do, you'll notice it goes away after you select it, but that's okay. Just hit the home bar again to bring it back up. Go over to your settings, or to your source, and then you see that it is selected. Now, go over to your settings icon right there, and then hit enter on it. And don't hit up. When you're on your settings, go ahead and hit enter. And you'll notice your broadcasting is not grayed out anymore. It's all lit up. So that's how you get that active again. Now if yours is still grayed out at this point, one fix is to unplug the TV, leave it unplugged for about 3 minutes, and then plug it back in, and then go through these steps that I just showed you, and then that should fix it. Okay, well hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on this. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.